kids, let's guess the animal with me. Roar, hop, and play. I am the king of jungle. I have a loud roar. Who am I? I am a smiling lion with a crown of leaves. I am the largest land animal. I have a trunk. Say, who am I? I am a friendly elephant spraying water. I have stripes. I am strong and fast. Tell me, who am I? I am a happy tiger peeking out. I look like a horse but I wear stripes. Tell me, who am I? I am a zebra smiling. I have a very long neck. Tell me, who am I? A giraffe punching leaves. I swing on trees. I love bananas. Tell me, who am I? A cute monkey waving. I sleep all winter. I am big and furry. Tell me, who am I? I am a brown bear smiling. I carry many babies in my pouch. Tell me, who am I? I am a kangaroo with a joy. I am black and white and I love to eat bamboo. Tell me, who am I? I am a panda chewing bamboo. I howl at the moon. I live in a park. Tell me, who am I? A friendly wolf. I am clever and have a bushy tail. Tell me, who am I? I am a red fox smiling. I am gentle and I have antlers. Tell me, who am I? A deer with big eyes. I live in water, but I am not a fish. I have a big mouth. Tell me, who am I? I am a hippo smiling in water. I have sharp teeth. I live in rivers. Tell me, who am I? I am a crocodile grinding. I slither. I have no legs. Tell me, who am I? I am a friendly green snake. I can see in the dark. I say, hoot hoot. Who am I? I am an owl with open wings. I cannot fly, but I swim well. I wear a tuxedo. Tell me, who am I? A penguin sliding on the ice. I am playful and smart. I jump in water. Tell me, who am I? I am a dolphin leaping. I have spots. I am fast and strong. Tell me, who am I? I am a leopard smiling. I have a big horn on my nose. Tell me, who am I? A rhinoceros standing proudly. Thank you. Bye bye.